after applying all the filters, I still have plenty of things here. Look, I have basically right now something like 134 companies.
Yeah. So the bigger picture is we split off into teams now, and we've been given the task to find long and shorts for presentation tomorrow. So I'm looking at longs. Shorts in this market seems to be a lot harder to be finding good trades. So he's discussing and debating with Tristan how to best play his idea, which is in healthcare in the US market.
You know, qualitative stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Which sector are you looking for?
Well,
Where did you work?
we build a sector on transportation and warehousing.
Where I work in Australia?
But then that contains a few energy-related stocks.
you were
It's
based
big,
in London.
huge cap, right? So they do the global.
We are in Olinda. It's an historical part here in Recife. That it was basically where the Portuguese came when they discovered Brazil. So basically there's a lot of influence here, and you can see from the buildings of the Portuguese presence in this country. We will be here around today, having insight about the city itself. Right now we are going for a nice lunch, and it will be awesome. We will have time to discuss a few more things in general about life, trading, and everything.
Can you not do that with a stock, with an equity?
Well, there's a consensus, so you don't know whether they're going to meet or they're going to mess. Yeah.
Yeah. Dressed with olive oil and
Yeah, why don't you dress later?
Nice, thanks.
Because I don't like it with oil.
it smells good.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Oh yeah. They look exclusive.
Just going for a little tour. Hello. Walking around. Very beautiful colonial architecture. And at the top of this hill, I've been told, it's an amazing view.
You can see from here, it's Boviagen, the beach. And let's drive along the beach.
Yeah.
But during the beach.
O que é que tu gostas de Olinda, especialmente?
Tudo.
Tudo?
O carnaval.
O carnaval. He likes everything, especially the carnaval. He's from here, he's just born on the other side of the hill.
There you go, for you. Present?
Para
Present for
você.
you? Yeah?
Obrigado.
Give me 5. Yeah, he's probably the age of my kid. Yeah, he looks quite cool, a cool dude. So I think he's even cooler with a Brazil football team hat. Yeah, that's cool.
We can say that it's the real deal. How people live here, being in contact with the locals. It's a great experience. It's something that makes us think. And it is poor people, but it's people with a good heart. No doubts on that. It's only live as much as they can for the life they have, and enjoy as maximum as they can. That's how they live here. It's really nice. When you come here, usually, or when I come here, usually I always feel great. It's a great country with great people.
A chegada dele alegrou o ambiente. Ele é cinegrafista, eu vou fazer meu relatório. Ele vai fazer filmagem aqui desse repertório pro poeta, repentista e esse conservatório. Não sei se é da Hungria, que é grande lugar, mas ele
Check out the bathroom down here. 2 reals to use the toilet. It's like charging for execution.
That's great.
I think wherever you go in the world, you've got to get the street level, see how the local people live, have a walk around, and understand the local culture.
Coming to the end of a fun trip. 2 days left. Seen a lot, done a lot, learnt a lot. We've certainly gotten to know each other, formed a good little team. And I think for a lot of these guys, there's been a lot of firsts. First time in Brazil for some of them, first time in boats and choppers for some of them. And they've definitely been exposed to a lot of concepts and ideas with trading that I don't think they're expecting to be seeing. So it's good for the guys to get a break, because they've been working pretty hard in the classroom, to have some downtime to come out and have a look around and experience the local colours and flavours.
Crêperie. The guy is probably from Brittany, having a crêperie here. You know, when they're on holidays, you never left. They're everywhere, making crepes and salads, cider, making a fortune. Brilliant. long Brittany.
It has been a massive day with massive people, massive food, and a massive walk. Now there's a massive crowd. It seems that all the kids have came out from school. I think we are now going for some beers and relax a little bit, because we also deserve it.
Yeah.
Table for two.
Yeah. Andrew, you blew me. Table for two.
So good.